So this is the this is the platform. This is how it will look like. So this is new text. Now on the top of your screen, the one that they wrote plus is where you are going to start your text. Okay, so when I press on this, it brought out a pencil and a delete. Right, so under it, the pencil is just somewhere you are going to write. So just look at the way I put this. So delete this one. So it's either you can use either of the two. It's either you create a new text or you just click on that new text that it is looking like a default already. You're going to click on it and then click on the pencil like, you understand? Then click again on the pencil and you start writing. So let's say man. Okay, so this man can be written as capital letter as well. So click on it. If you don't want it in a small letter, you can write capital M, capital A, capital N. Okay, man. Okay, so that's the use of this. So the next one on top to the right, that's where you have your save as project and save as image. If you save as project, you will always find your images. So this is, look at the down part, you see my own project. You can see my project. If I click on it, you see some of the works that I have done. Do you understand? So save as project will make you find your work and maybe you want to redesign it so it will be easier for you. Alright, so then the next one is to save as image. Okay, so you save JPEG, no transparency. Then if you want to save, you need to change this to ultra and you save as gallery. So when you do this, when you save it as gallery, you must find it in your what? In your in your gallery, in your image or photo gallery. The next one on top is your quotes. So your quotes is written in English and it is also written in French. So anyone you want to do. So we have different type of English. So I'm sure you might have navigate this yourself. Okay, so this one is not a problem. So if you want to work on image, work on um, quotes, so you can do this. Okay, so it's just that we are still working on Arabic text. It's just that I want to teach you how to import it and make a beautiful image and flyer under that, and I felt like it is somehow difficult in a way. Alright, God will put us through. So and then the three dots you are seeing after that um, icon for quote. So these are the things you are seeing. Use image from gallery, full screen, use image from camera, export image. Okay, image size. So image size from here, that's where we pick our sizes of the background. So let's say I want to change the size of my background to 700 to 1000. So this is what I have. Okay, so the size have changed. So this is the size of a flyer. Okay, so then the next one under this dot, this is where you can view your work. Okay, if I lock anything here, so if I lock man, I will not be able to move the man. Then if I unlock, I'll be able to move. If I this eye that cancel, if I hide it, I will not see it. Then if I unhide, I will see it. So and the text too. So they are all, that's the work of that. Then this grid, this one is to align your work, your design. Okay, that's if you have a lot of write-off or a lot of design on this thing, so you are going to use it to align it. So this one is for enlargement. Okay, and this one is back. If you don't want to do something, let's say I put a color to this one now, so and I don't want it, so I can do this arrow facing a curved arrow facing the left. So that is redo. So then come down, then you see this A, this is text. So the text and quote again is under here. Okay, text. I have edit. Okay, to take me back. I have delete. If I don't want it to be deleted, I'll go up and click on this arrow on on top, this arrow on top, that arrow that look like a curved arrow. Do you understand? Then we have copy, we have to front. If I put this to back, it will go back, and this one will be at the front. You understand? Then we have position, you can make it go up or down. Then we have relative position. This one will just take it, okay, faster than the other one. And this one is the size. You can reduce the size of your text, okay. Then you can padding it like this, or write padding, okay. So you have color, so I can make it this way. So your texture, I've explained this texture too before. So if you feel like you don't want the color of your screen, the color on your platform, you can use a particular color here and make it your texture. So if I feel like using this color, okay, so this will be my color. So then I have I have opacity to just make it, it will not be brighter than before. The opacity, it will only be brighter if it is 100%. Then I have rotate, okay. Then I have font. The font is just styles of your write-up, okay. So this is what I have. So the reason why this capital man, the one that has another font, is looking like this is because of the texture I added to it. So this is bold, the style. So it's either I want it bold, I want it italics. If I don't want it, I'll press on that T cross. Okay. So that's the use. Then we curve. If you curve it, you can come this way. Okay. So depending on what you want. Okay. So I have curve. I have background. So it can be in a background itself. You can give it a background. Okay. So it can be in background itself. Align. Spacing. You can space it. So let me take it away from this curve. That's why it's not working. Okay. So I take it away from the curve. So I will make it, if I want to space it, it will be easier. Okay. So if I want to do redo, I'll get this. So this is stroke. To make it more visible by adding borderline. This is shadow. Okay. This is inner shadow. Okay. So that is, and we have reflection. Okay, to reflect back, and we have 3D shadow. Alright, so that's about text.